Logic. Wait, what do you mean?
It goes in tech to 48 point.
Yeah, that's just one.
Straight ray 18 to the ferry.
Yeah.
Spin. Or no, I think there's pressure pyramid to the ferry. Spin. Straight ray 18 to Verdier, and then we do an 18, 20, 22 to the finish line.
It's not tech, it's just a regular product.
Yeah.
Who's not here? BC Cancer, Coles here. Declan had to leave. Elena's out there, and Karis is out there. Who else is out there? Hannah. Evan's here. Henry is here. Isabel's here. Marcus. Matt is not. Mia's not. Naomi's here. Nick and Melissa's here. Portia's here. Excellent. Find your partner. We're going all the way back to Chem 11. Chem 11.
Stoichiometry.
120 mils of a 1.5 molar solution is diluted to 500 milliliters. What's the new concentration? Just pure Chem 11.
It's a ratio.
Board. Grab your partner.
Okay, wait, I got that.
Hold it. Did you see your partner? You're with Isabel.
Wait, can you go back to the...
I'll go back to the question. It's also in your notes. So if you get out your notes, you have it.
Okay.
Okay?
Wait. Go.
Go.
Okay, go back to the question. I'm trying to...
Mr. Dupont, is this like 5 or
For table of contents? Yeah. Table of contents, page numbers and titles. Good. Erase whatever else is there. Give yourself some room. 120 mils of a zip 1.5 molar solution. Please show your units and all your calculations.
Where do I put this?
Right over there.
And it has a concentration of 1.5.
Portia, Naomi, question?
Yeah.
Hold it.
What is the new constant?
Portia. Cole.
Okay, I got that.
You're supposed to be up and working. Okay.
But isn't it 1.5 moles per 120?
But it's...
Oh, in solution.
We don't know, we don't have the... Do we need the equation?
You don't have to have it. You can do it all with the units. What's big M?
What's the new concentration?
What's big M mean?
Concentration.
Yeah, what are the units of concentration?
For 1 second, 1 mole per liter.
Moles per liter. And you have liters. So you have new liters. Mhm.
Well, we have this many liters.
Bro, have you got this?
Nice. That is a very nice unitary.
This and this.
Write it up here.
Is that good?
Well, then I'm also lazy.
Oh.
You can also use the formula method. I would like someone to do that one. I didn't even see it. See you.
I really want to see the shiny blue again. This is so cool.
Over time, one of the reasons we know it's in equilibrium, it actually gets less and less shiny. Because it's in equilibrium, the solid keeps becoming aqueous, and the aqueous keeps becoming solid. Eventually, crystals aren't as fine, and they don't glisten as much. and that's how we know it's a dynamic equilibrium.
Yeah, it was like the coolest picture I've ever seen.
I put everything in smooth. When you got the mold, you moved it over, and I did it by the so just put units in front of you. So why would you do it?
It's just so much fun.
What have you guys got?
Is this right?
You were, if you try, oh, I think the top one was an initial. 500 over 120.
That was just your
Oh, to get that, and then you can,
Yeah.
so you take, and divide by, how'd you know to divide by, as opposed to multiply?
That's so mean.
Yeah, you're doing it on instinct, it works mathematically. I put in all your units so you can see that it cancels out. I will say it's a bit of a dangerous method, if you're just kind of remembering. You want to be able, but what you're doing essentially is you're doing you're getting the ratio first, and then making sure that you do it with, as long as you keep your units in there, that's another method, yeah. Because you're seeing what amount smaller it would be. Go write that method on the board. That's a good method too. Go write it on there in a different color for everybody. Oh, now we're drawing faces. Hold on a second. We're going to do one more.
I need to get your braces. Portia.
I'm gonna tell Marcus to look. I'm gonna go.
This goes in your lab book, and anybody else who left it in. This is needed in your lab book with your name on it. Before you leave it, make sure you have one in there.
Oh, I don't have one in there. With my name in it?
On top where it says, you know,
Where's the back?
pre-lab checklist 4, and then that's supposed to be your name.
Is there this is my practice for cumulative. Do you want it?
Oh.
It still has corrections.
I don't want to look at this now because right now I'm about to start something out and then I'll forget what this is for. Bring it to me like in a tutorial or something, and then I can go over that. Does that make sense? Well, put it in the front of your book, or next time we are both here. Okay, have a seat. Please erase your boards. Cute drawings and all. B, what are you drawing? Excellent. Please erase. Have a seat. We're going to do one more section.
I'm just looking at like what?
Okay, laptops. Laptops away?
I think everyone left. So
You don't need your laptops here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your rowing meeting. Cool? Laptop away. Why is your laptop away? Put it away. Don't need that. Little review of grade 11. We do need to, this section is going to have dilution calculations. The method doesn't matter. All of them eventually just go through moles, calculate the moles, and then calculate the moles in the new volume or whatever it is you're doing. So moles per liter is the concentration, multiplied by liters, they cancel, you get the number of moles, divide by the liters, this. If you remember this old formula, did anybody use this formula in grade 11? I don't know if the teachers in grade 11 last year taught it. It's very quick if you're doing a one-step dilution, and both of them, you're just adding water, and it ends up, it's exactly the same calculation. Concentration times volume divided by the total volume, so the volume liters cancel out, and then you get the new one, you'll get the same answer. If you're using a ratio method, I have seen these before, you do need to be very careful that you know whether to divide, whether it's getting bigger or smaller, so that you know whether to divide by that particular ratio to calculate the concentration. Both this and that rely on the fact that you're only adding water. So if you were, for example, adding a 120 mil of a 1.5 molar solution is added to 500 mils of a 0.5 molar solution. If you use either of these methods, you can do it twice and then add them, or calculate the moles of both and divide it by the total volume. Being Portia, I just said put away your laptops, and two other people didn't notice you, but what are you doing with your laptops? Are you doing your laptops out? Your laptops out? We have our notes up if we have anything. I am going to take advantage of every moment we have in class. Net ionic equations from grade 11 as well. Write an equation for a saturated solution of sodium phosphate. For a saturated solution of sodium phosphate, first of all, what is the formula of sodium phosphate?
NaP. I don't know.
Pull out your notes, pull out your data table, figure out what phosphate is.
NaP4.
Don't guess. Pull it out. At this point,
Oh,
pull it out.
no. P,
Four
Na.
minus.
Oh. Is there oxygen in it?
Yeah?
Oh, there is?
Yeah.
Oh, then it's Na2PO.
Again, I want everybody's notes out. I want your data table out. I want people getting this out. Yes, we only have 5 minutes, but we're going to use up those 5 minutes.
I don't have my
If other people leave early, they leave early, but we're going to use every minute we can. Notes out. Data table.
I don't have my.
You came without notes or data table?
I forgot my Ken Binder.
So
Okay, so in a gunfight, would you forget a gun?
yeah. Grab a data booklet.
What's the thing for sodium phosphate?
Don't tell them.
What's the thing?
Yeah, don't tell them. They're supposed to do it.
For a saturation solution, I have no idea.
No,
Oh,
sodium phosphate.
No, they can't get the formula.
it's right in front of you.
It's close.
Oh, you need the. Oh.
Oh, it's,
Yeah.
easy. It's PO4 2, and then
I said
it's,
PO.
is it Na?
2 minus.
Is it Na?
Oh.
It's Na
Is that
PO4
Can I,
2.
Next step.
Can I do it?
Data booklets
Is
out.
it not
No, I don't.
Too
I want
far
them to
away.
do it.
Is it not
I'm gonna write it down.
No. No.
Na.
Data booklets out.
It's Na PO4.
Evan, I'm going to keep you after class if I don't see a data booklet in front of you.
writing.
Find a data booklet.
I.
Find one. And I want you to find phosphate on your data booklet.
I'm not trying to find.
B, where's your data booklet?
Evan's getting it.
No. Get out your data booklet. Naomi, data booklet.
Okay, wait.
Go. Put away your laptop.
Yeah.
No, put it all the way down. Put it in your bag.
Oh, new 5 pound one. Oh my god.
There you go. Pull out your data booklet. I want to know what phosphate is. Oh my god.
I did it.
Oh my
Excellent.
Behind the marker.
Oh goodness. Oh goodness gracious.
I was. Oh.
Is that right?
So where did that
NaPO4.
Na3PO4.
Ah, why?
Because the ions.
What's phosphate?
PO4 3
I thought it was a.
And what charge is it?
3 minus.
3 minus. What's the charge on sodium?
Plus.
Plus.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Crisscross applesauce.
only took
Wait.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Na2? Yeah.
Why do you keep saying 2?
Because. Wait, I don't remember.
Just look at
I
it.
thought the three and
There's a 3 there. That's a
I thought
1.
the minus
I
and
thought you had
pluses.
100 in math.
Oh my
1
God.
times 3 is 3. 5.
What? Yeah, what?
It's crazy, yeah.
Okay.
Oh wait, you put the thingies. Okay.
I'm going. I'm going to do this.
I remember the
Stop. I'm going to do this once
That's what showed.
because if you do this the whole time through solutions, I will go spare.
Can you review?
An ionic
You just
compounds.
crossed them.
Oh yeah.
It's before it.
I remember. If I remember.
Stop talking. Because I want to go into the reason why you crossed them. What is the charge of an ionic compound? The total charge. What is the total charge of an ionic compound? What is the total charge of NaCl?
5.
No.
Positive.
No. What's the
Zero.
charge?
0.
0. The total charge must equal 0. How many of these do you need to make the whole thing 0?
Oh, 3.
3.
Oh.
That is why when you crisscross it works. It's just a ratio. But there's a reason for it. You're making the whole thing 0. So if you have, how many of each do you need to make the whole thing 0?
Not
Wait, Newf, I
1.
actually never understood why you did that.
There you go. Well, now it's 0. This is why if you crisscross and you do that, it's wrong. Because you only need 1 of each. That's why you reduce.
So when you're writing the actual equation, do you write the charges then?
No. Because the final charge of the whole thing is 0. Never write the charges.
Okay, that's what
Okay? I just taught this to my grade 10s, so somewhat appropriate.
I don't remember learning any of this in grade 10.
Oh, well, I'll have to
I
smell.
had maybe we
You
get
redo it in grade 12. Okay, so sodium phosphate, Na3PO4 is like that. And then we say that this is a saturated solution. What's the definition of a saturated solution? Pardon? What must you have in a saturated solution for it to be saturated?
The maximum amount of solute capable.
It is the maximum amount, but there's one piece you must have in it from last day.
Extra.
Extra,
Solid.
solid. So there must be a solid, and it must be in equilibrium with the products. What products do we have? Na plus PO4. Excellent. I'm going to write all these up in red. What else are we missing? Plus. And what else are we missing? We have to balance it. What has to be balanced? 3 in front of that. If you do not put your charges on, that is a completely different compound. Na without the charge is sodium metal and explodes with water. Na with a charge is the sodium ion, and it's perfectly safe and dissolves in water. And so you must remember your charges, and I know from past that some people have left those off. They're quite important, particularly for this section as we're doing solutions. 113. Thank you for staying behind after all the rowers left. I will continue from here. Pack up. Make sure your lab is here with the sheet on the inside of it that I gave you over here. And I am sorry that I haven't posted any of the results. There are a couple of the tests I'm still working through in terms of I need to go through those. If you could erase your spot before you go, I won't have time to go all that. I also
Can I keep my drawings?
no, don't keep trying because it just makes the person who has to clean it at night then has to clean more.
But they laugh.
Yeah, look at. That's a good drawing.
It's a good drawing.